Hi, my name is Ilkka Laukkanen, and next I'm going to show you how to integrate in-app purchasing into your Qt application. The in-app purchasing API consists of one class, and we're going to take a look at that class's API next. Here it is, it's called IAP client, and there are a few important methods that you need to be aware of. First of all, there's the purchase product method, which takes a product ID as parameter and makes a request to the store to purchase a product. There's a method for getting product data from the store, methods for restoring products, and for getting user and device ID. All of these methods are asynchronous, which means that they signal back by sending Qt signals. And the signals are defined here. There's a purchase completed signal. There's a restoration completed signal for when you need to restore content that has been previously purchased. There's a product data received signal, and so on and so forth. Now this API is quite low level, so we have implemented some helper classes to help us use that in our application. Since we have a Qt Quick application and we want to display the purchasable content for our user, we have developed a model. This is our model class, declarative purchase list model. It uses the in-app purchasing API to get product data from the store. Since we want to deliver our purchasable content in DRM protected form, we have included that here in the project file for our application. We have two purchasable items. We have a special helmet item here, and we have a cool bike item here. You can see that we add the resources related to both items into this special folder when we install our application. The folder path is drm/data/resource ID and then a 6-digit number. This number is a special identifier that we get from the store when we register our content item. By installing the item into this DRM folder, we get transparent DRM protection by the system. The way we detect which purchasable items there exist is we simply iterate the contents of that folder here. Out of each purchasable item, we create a purchasable item class instance, which is just a convenience placeholder for the metadata for the item itself. Next, let me show you how an item is actually bought in our application. Let's start from the UI. We have a special QML file here called buy.qml, in which we have defined a purchase UI. In this UI here, we have a button for the user to press when he wants to buy some content. And we see that this buy button here calls a method on our model called buy and provides a product index for it. Let's take a look at the buy method. The buy method retrieves a purchasable item from our model and calls its purchase method. Now let's take a look at the purchase method implementation. The purchase method of a purchasable item uses the in-app purchase client to send a request to the store to mark this item as purchased. To actually purchase the product, the purchasable item base class uses the IAP client. It calls the purchase product method and provides the product ID, which is again that 6-digit number that you get when you register the content item with the store. When the purchase is completed, the IAP client sends a signal that the purchasable item class handles by marking the content item as purchased and saving a special ticket that it gets from the store. This ticket then allows the system to decrypt the DRM protected content, and then it is ready for use by the user. And in a nutshell, that is basically how you implement in-app purchasing in your Qt app.